Description: CM3570 H3 LED fog lights. 1. CM3570 H3 LED fog lights. 1000 CM3570 fog lights. Luminous flux increased by 200% to enhance visibility. Newly upgraded flip chip in 2024. CM3570 H3 fog lights are suitable for cars, trucks, and SUVs. 2. With halogen bulb size, a non-polar design, installation is easy. Carefully designed be manual, but better lighting effect. 3. The optical design provides a wider and farther lighting range, and the 360 lighting has no black spots. It will not affect other drivers while driving. 4. Copper circuit board plus PWM circuit design ensure quality, heat reduction by 35%. The advanced design optimizes thermal protection and consistent light output. With efficient spacing and an aircraft aluminum heatsink, the LED bulb will ensure maximum longevity. 5. PWM circuit design. Wide voltage 12 VDC tilde 24 VDC can be shared. 6. CM3570 H3 LED fog lights are available in 6000K white light and 3000K warm white light. Warm white light has better light penetration in foggy weather.